1996 Chevy Impala. This was the last hoorah for GM's full-size body-on-frame B-body platform. After this, cars are all made unibody except for trucks. Paint is in excellent condition. She got a set of 22-inch Culture Classic rips. She has a little over 11,000 miles, guys. Excellent condition. And she got the 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8. Interior is absolutely beautiful, guys. She got bucket seats and the famous console and floor shifter. Let's start her up. Fire right up. As y'all can see, she got a little over 11,000 miles. Blow cold AC.